Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in on your laptop and opening Settings and Privacy, then Settings. This gets you into General Account Settings. Once there, find the Name field. That's where you'll edit your Facebook ID name. Make sure your account has no pending verification holds because Facebook blocks name edits during holds. Also check that your current name meets Facebook policies. If it doesn't, edits will be rejected. Now click Edit next to Name to enter the new name fields and prepare to update them. You'll now type your new first, middle if needed, and last name into the form fields. This matters because Facebook uses those fields to verify identity and display. Once entered, review spelling and accents. Small discrepancies can trigger verification requests. Use the preview to confirm how your name appears to others. If you need a professional or common name variant, choose the one matching your ID. When satisfied, click Review Change to continue to the final confirmation step. You must choose a display format, re-enter your Facebook password, and click Save Changes to finalize the update. Once done, Facebook may take minutes to hours to reflect the new name and occasionally request an ID. If asked, upload a valid document that matches the name you entered. If the change fails, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or ensure your chosen name follows Facebook's naming rules. Finally, if you're blocked, contact Facebook support and follow their verification instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.